Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the most important chapter of your syllabus, cost analysis. I am repeating, most important chapter of your syllabus, cost analysis. Cost analysis occupies a very important place in business economics or managerial economics because the most important objective of private enterprises or any entrepreneur is how to get maximum profit. अगर मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट अर्न करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? बाय इन्फ्लुएंसिंग डिमांड, वन सेकेंड इज बाय इन्फ्लुएंसिंग कॉस्ट. तो डिमांड को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए आप क्या कर सकते हैं? प्राइस को चेंज कर सकते हैं, एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर कर सकते हैं, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. वी हैव डिस्कस डिमांड एनालिसिस. एंड कॉस्ट को इन्फ्लुएंस करने के लिए क्या? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉस्ट बिकॉज प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज ऑल्सो कॉस्ट मिनिमाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव. ओके, हमको ये कहना चाहिए कि द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ अ फर्म इज टू हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस गिवन आउटपुट एट लीस्ट कॉस्ट और मिनिमम कॉस्ट, और हाउ टू मैक्सिमाइज द प्रॉफिट बाय मिनिमाइजिंग द कॉस्ट. अगर कॉस्ट को मिनिमाइज करना है तो आपको कॉस्ट एनालिसिस समझना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कॉस्ट एनालिसिस ऑक्यूपाइज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन. फर्म कैन टेक मैनी डिसीजंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कॉस्ट एनालिसिस. एज पर योर सिलेबस वी विल डिस्कस शॉर्ट रन कॉस्ट आउटपुट रिलेशनशिप. इसमें फर्स्ट डिफरेंस है फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट एंड वेरिएबल कॉस्ट. So what are fixed costs? Fixed costs are those costs or those item of expenditure which are independent to the level of output. In short, fixed costs are those costs which do not change or vary. They remain constant, fixed in the short term, irrespective to the level of output. Okay, only for short term. Fixed costs are those costs which remain fixed in the short term. Therefore, fixed costs are known as overhead cost. And also very important point that fixed cost can never be zero or nil. Even at zero output, even at nil output, fixed cost can never be zero. This is the table. Zero, output is 0, 1000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000. Output increase हो रहा है मगर fixed cost change नहीं हो रहा. Okay. These are the example. Payment of rent तो fixed रहेगा. Interest on borrowed capital fixed for the short period. Depreciation and maintenance allowances, administrative expenses, insurance premium, etc. These are the examples of fixed cost. आप देखिए कि यहाँ 0 है आउटपुट, फिक्स कॉस्ट 1000 है. मान लीजिए कि कोई कंपनी ने मशीन इंस्टॉल कर दी है, बिल्डिंग का रेंट दे दिया है, लोन ले लिए, उसमें इंटरेस्ट भी उसका चालू हो गया है, मगर कुछ रीजन की वजह से 1-2 महीने तक उसका प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, फिर भी उसको रेंट भी भरना पड़ेगा, इंश्योरेंस का प्रीमियम भी भरना पड़ेगा, उसका जो उनके जो मशीनरीज लगे हैं उसका डेप्रिसिएशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? दैट इज द रीजन even at zero output, even at nil output, fixed cost can never be zero. So zero होने के बाद भी 1000. Then fixed costs are those costs which remain fixed in the short period. अगर रेंट है तो वो 11 मंथ के लिए है, 2 years के लिए जो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है. In the short period, fixed costs generally do not change. They remain fixed. Okay. So how can we explain with the help of diagram? X-axis represents output, Y-axis represents fixed cost. Suppose this is F curve indicating fixed cost. So you can observe from the diagram that the curve is parallel to X-axis, flat. Okay, this is the flatter curve, flat. So it indicated that whatever the level OA output or OB output or OC output, fixed cost remain fixed. Getting my point? Output increase from OA to OB, OB to OC, fixed cost remain fixed and fixed. Therefore, the curve is parallel to X-axis. Here, very important points to be noted that fixed cost curve is not starting from here, origin से start नहीं हो रहा है. What is the reason? It is starting from here. What is the reason? The reason is that fixed cost is not zero. Fixed cost zero नहीं हो सकता है. Fixed cost can never be zero or nil. Therefore, the curve is not starting from origin. Clear? Second, variable cost. Variable costs are those costs which change or vary with output, and therefore it is known as function of output. हमने लिखा ना क्या डिमांड इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ प्राइस. इट मीन्स जब जब प्राइस चेंज होगा तब तब डिमांड चेंज होगा. सो दे आर फंक्शन आउटपुट, मतलब जब जब आउटपुट चेंज होगा तब तब वेरिएबल कॉस्ट चेंज होगा. These costs are those costs which change or vary with output, and therefore these costs are known as prime cost or direct cost. They are direct costs, they are prime costs, they are directly related with the level of output. Fixed costs are independent to the level of output in the short term, particular short term. Okay, so these are the example. Cost of raw material. So variable costs are those costs when output increase, variable cost increase. When output is decrease or reduce, variable cost will also be reduced. When output is reduced to zero or nil, variable cost also zero हो जाएगा. Okay, वो output के साथ increase और decrease होता है. Raw material, अगर ज्यादा प्रोडक्शन करेंगे तो ज्यादा रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए, कम प्रोडक्शन करेंगे तो कम रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए. अगर प्रोडक्शन बंद ही कर देंगे तो रॉ मटेरियल की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? सो कॉस्ट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, वेजेस ऑफ लेबर, लेबर ईयर मतलब दोज आर वर्किंग ऑन डेली वेजेस, पावर एंड फ्यूल चार्जेस, जितना आप प्रोडक्शन करेंगे फ्यूल इतना ज्यादा चाहिए, एक्साइज ड्यूटी, सेल्स टैक्स, वैट, जीएसटी एक्सेट्रा, transport expenditure. These are the examples of variable cost, which these costs increase when output increase, this cost decrease when output decrease. When output is zero, this cost will also be zero. Therefore these costs are known as variable cost. So you can observe from the diagram, when output is zero, nil, variable cost is also zero. Output 1 unit, variable cost 100 rupees, increase from 1 to 2, 1 to 180, 3 units 240, 4 unit 400. So as output increase, variable cost increase. So same thing explained with the help of diagram. It is starting from origin. Why? Because variable cost can be zero. Fixed cost cannot be start from origin. Why? Because fixed cost cannot be zero. Okay, x-axis represents output, y-axis represents variable cost. Here, okay, how we can suppose when output is in OA, the variable cost is PA. This is the cost, variable cost. When output increase from OA to OB, variable cost also increase from PA to QB. When variable cost increase from OA to OB, OB to OC, variable cost also increase from OB to OC, variable cost also increase from RC. Okay, so when output is OA, variable cost is PA. When output is OB, variable cost is QB, and variable output is OC, variable cost is RC. Okay, so as output increases, variable cost also increases. Why? Because they are changing with output. Getting my point? So today in this video lecture we discussed 2 points: fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed costs are those costs which remain fixed, which do not change or vary with output. They are known as overhead cost or overhead expenditure. And fixed cost curve is parallel to x-axis, and it is not starting from origin because fixed cost can never be zero or nil even at zero output. On the other hand, variable costs are those costs which change or vary with output. They are function of output, they are prime cost, they are direct cost. Okay, variable cost increase, output increases, variable cost increase. Output decreases, variable cost decreases. When output is reduced to zero, nil, variable cost is also zero. Okay, आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.